is the basis of your observation? Of course, you've seen the youngsters, you must have seen the senior football as well. So how do we go forward from here?
No, of course, when I said that that we are not that much far behind, then I really look at the elite academies, and then I look at right now Goa, BFC, Young Champs. Overall in football, of course, we are still behind, and that is in grassroots. We start late with football. We just went to the school where we say a school is the most important thing for parents still, and for us also. But I think you can combine sports and football. And I think it's really important that children start when they are 5, 6 years old with sports. And I'm not even only talking about football. Only then you get a sports culture in India, and only then you can create talents for the future. Now, and I'm looking, of course, mostly to football. So if we get children to play from 6 years on, then I believe that there is much more talent in India than maybe in the rest of the world, because number-wise, and then the gap will be closer. Right now in the academy, what we are doing, I don't think we are behind that far with the European level, and then I'm thinking about 1.5 years. So it's in the grassroots, yes, we are far behind, but not 20 years anymore. I think we are behind 5, 6 years, and that is a big gap. It looks like, oh, it's close. No, we have still a lot of work to do to come there.